Hi guys, this is a very quick introductory video on how to set up and use the leg sleeves and the chairs here in the recovery room. Hopefully you find it helpful and yeah, good luck using the room. Enjoy.
Make sure the base unit is plugged in and switched on. Turn the base unit on and set the desired time you want. It can be between 10 and 30 minutes. We recommend a maximum of 20 minutes as an ideal starting point. Next, take your shoes off, place your legs in the sleeves, making sure your feet are all the way to the end. Zip up the sleeves to the top. Take the cord from the base unit and attach each hose to each sleeve. Press start on the base unit, set to your desired level, recline the chair and enjoy the upcoming experience. Following the cycle, allow the boots to decompress and fully deflate. Detach the hoses, unzip the sleeves, step out of the sleeves and place them open on the floor to allow you to wipe down the inside. Then, manually decompress any leftover air in the leg sleeves to ensure ease of use for the next user. Then, neatly place the leg sleeves back on the chair and turn the base unit off before exiting the room.